Hey everybody, hey, what's up everybody, what's up, people? Coming to you live, House of X Entertainment presents It's Me Wanston, yes, honey, coming to you now live. What's up Twitter family, what's up YouTube family, what's up Facebook family, and my Instagram peoples, what you guys doing out there? It's Me Wanston, yes honey, is now live. What's up, Twitter family? What's up, YouTube family? What's up? Hi, everyone. Yes, welcome back, guys, to another amazing Cook With Me. It's Me, Wanston, guys. Yes, today we are making chicken spaghetti. Yes, guys. So, y'all know I like 30-minute meals. This recipe calls, it was a little bit lengthy, so I took off the other 30 minutes, and I'm making it my way and simple for you guys so that you can be able to make it. All right? So I've already washed my hands, as you guys seen. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to clean our chicken. Okay, so we have I'm going to be using some chicken breast. This recipe calls for a whole chicken, and where you put it into your marinara sauce and you let it boil, and everything inside of your for your chicken spaghetti. But I'm using boneless chicken breast, guys. Okay, so that's what I'm using today. All right, so we're taking off the fat off of this. Then we're going to run some cold water and vinegar. All right, and then I'm going to I'm going to show you guys as I move y'all over to our stove over here. Okay. All right, so let's just rinse this off. All right. So I'm going to run some cold water. Okay. All right, you want to make sure that you take off all the fat on this. Okay. All right. Make sure you take off all the fat. There we go. Okay. So now that we have saturated our chicken, now some of the people when they're making this, I've seen they don't season their chicken. I'm sorry. I'm going to season mine, but I'm not going to do it in a way where it's oversaturated with seasoning because we also have to put our chicken inside the marinara sauce. So the ones that I'm using is gluten-free. All right, guys, and it's tomato and basil. So what I'm going to do is put on my fire here with my pot. Okay, and it's going to be on the medium heat. I'm going to put my tomato sauce in here, my pasta sauce. Leave this one container because you're going to put a little bit, about a half a container of water. Okay, so about this much of water. Okay, and then I'm just going to add a little bit of this one. This one is regular marinara sauce. Okay. All right, so that should be good. And then you can just add a little drop of water in there. Okay. So what I'm gonna do next is just season the chicken, okay? With a little bit of onion powder. We're gonna sprinkle some garlic powder. So that way when our pasta sauce will also be well seasoned as well. And some paprika. And then we have some black pepper. Okay, and then you can sprinkle just a little bit. We're gonna put it in the cover of this. Because you know your pasta sauce is also having its own salt and its own ingredients. Okay. Alright. So now that you have seasoned it, you're gonna drop it into your pasta. Just like that. Just drop it in there. Alright. And you're gonna let it boil. Alright, so let's just go ahead and wash this out. Because we're gonna need it to okay. So the next thing that we're gonna work on, alright, I'm gonna move you guys in just 1 second. Hold on. Okay. 1 second. Alright. And let me just show you guys what's going on over here. Okay. Alright, so this is our pasta boiling, right? Our chicken boiling over there. Okay. So the next thing that we're gonna work on is our pasta. Okay, so this is the spaghetti I'm using. Okay. Alright. So we're not gonna break up our spaghetti today. We're gonna wait for our water to get nice and hot. And we're gonna just go ahead and drop them into the hot steaming water. So you wanna put your fire on a nice medium heat. Nice medium heat, guys. How is everybody? Oh, by the way, guys, Happy New Year. I forgot to tell you guys that. Yes, I didn't get to see you guys for the New Year. So Happy New Year to everyone. Okay? So, Happy New Year. Okay, so now we're going to put just a little bit of salt. Not too much in here. Okay? Alright? So, we're going to let our water boil. Put our cover over it. Okay? Okay, guys? So that is what's going on now. Let's get a cover for the big pot. Sorry about the noise. You also want to make sure that you wash all of your cookware, because you don't want stuff to get in your food. Okay? Alright, so we're covering this. Just gently cover it. It's on a slow cook, guys. Okay? Alright. Okay. So also big shout out to my sister, Tracy. Thank you again so much for the baking dishes, guys. She bought me for Christmas. I got myself some nice glass baking dish. Okay, so today we'll be using one because we're gonna put our chicken spaghetti in the oven. All right, so we'll be using this one today. It comes in a set. I'm so grateful for this, guys. So thank you. Shout out to my sister Tracy. You know, she always watches my videos and she loves my cooking. So thank you again to her for giving me this baking dish. Okay. So we're gonna wait for this to boil, and we also have to cut up our chicken and our water over here so that we can put our spaghetti in. So guys, when this is finished, we'll be back. Okay guys, so welcome back. So we are going to now put our pasta in the pot over here, as you can see. All right. So again, like I said, we're not gonna break up our spaghetti. We're just gonna let it dissolve into the water. So that's how you do it, guys. All right. We're gonna let it dissolve into the water. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Looking for my. Okay, I did put it in there. All right. Now, guys, let us check our chicken over here. We're gonna get a thong for that. So this is how our chicken is looking. See how we're gonna turn it down just a little bit. See how it looks, guys? Okay. All right. Just get a thong to check and make sure it's nice and everything. The marinara juice should be getting into the chicken and everything. So we're just gonna turn it down. Okay. Now I am not gonna put any type of cheese or anything on it. Okay. So we're gonna take it out in just a moment and let it cool for a minute. And then we're gonna have to just put a cap over it. And then we're gonna have to break it up, guys. So let me I need to get another fork. 1 second. Okay. So we're gonna be using 2 forks, guys. Okay, 2 forks. All right. So just wait 1 more minute, and then we're gonna let that cool. Okay, and I'll show you guys how we're gonna shred it. Okay. So we're gonna do it one by one. Now normally, they put like a big whole chicken inside of the sauce, but we're not doing that today. We're just gonna do the chicken breast. So this is already done. We're gonna take the fork and we're just going to shred it like this. So you want to just break it up with the fork. Now if you want to taste it, you can. Yeah, you can taste the marinara. All right, and again, it's well seasoned. So you're just gonna break it up. All right, it doesn't matter the size of the chicken. You just want to break it up. Okay. All right. You can use your hand if you have to. All right. Use your hand. All right. I gotta turn on the pasta, guys. Give me 1 second. Okay. All right. So about this size is good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this batch inside the pasta. So now inside the sauce. Okay. Inside the sauce. And I'm going to take out the next one. So this goes in our sauce, guys. Okay. Alright, let's get the next one. See how easy that was, guys? Because, honey, trying to do a whole chicken, that's just wasting food. Okay? And then we have one more. So you're going to make sure that your chicken is well dissolved. Now that you have it on low, the sauce should start to thicken just a little bit. It's on low, and your sauce is going to thicken up because you don't want it too wet. You want the sauce to thicken. Okay? It also depends on what brand of marinara sauce you buy. I try to buy the best brand. You know, I know everybody likes Regos. I think that's what they call it, right? Regos? Yeah, I know everybody likes that one, but I try to buy, less. I don't like to see my tomato sauce watery. Okay, let me check this pasta. Hold on, guys. Ooh, that was hot. All right. Pasta is almost done. All right, and then we're gonna bake this. I'm really not gonna put any cheese. I'm not gonna put any cheese, guys, to it. Yeah, I'm not gonna put any cheese on it. You can put cheese if you want to. Okay. All right. One last one. Okay, let me just get the rest of this off of here. One last one. Okay. All right. One last one. One last one, guys. All right. Okay. And then we're going to check our pasta. As you can see, this was much easier to do than the actual whole chicken, because you think about it, you'll have to sit there and break up that chicken, take the skin off and everything. Just get the chicken breast, and there you have it. Just get the chicken breast. Make sure it's boneless chicken breast. All right, my hands is hurting now. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's put you back over here, guys. Now our chicken is saturated inside the pasta sauce. Okay. All right. We're just gonna let this simmer. Okay. All right. Let's check on our pasta over here. All right, it's almost done. In about 5 minutes, it'll be done. See, guys? So let it be saturated in the water, and then okay. All right, and then we're just gonna put a little bit of seasoning and olive oil on it, and then we're gonna put it in our baking dish. We're gonna mix it together. I'm gonna turn on our oven to about 400 degrees because we just wanted to bake a little, not too much. We just wanted to bake a little. That's all we wanted to do, guys. Okay? We just wanted to bake a little. How's everybody's day going? Hope everyone is having a lovely day. Okay? Hope everyone is having a lovely, lovely day. It's a new year. What do you guys got planned for the new year? I have some stuff coming up. Also, guys, if you have not yet, please go to Amazon. Please go to Barnes and Nobles. You can also go to howto.entertainment.com and purchase my book. It's available. Yes. Pain Leads to Purpose, Volume 1. Do you know your purpose? Yes. Okay. So that is my book. I have some other stuff coming out this coming year. I also have an interview coming up on the 21st with Turner Talks, Wellness with Frugal Mama and her lovely wife. I also have another interview coming on the 28th with my good friend, yes, on the 28th with Uniquely Lavish. So that is coming up very soon. So please, guys, set your notifications, check out the channels, amazing channels. Yes, about my book. So if you also want a signed copy, inbox me on Instagram for that. My Instagram is the same name as my YouTube channel. Same name, guys. All right, let's check our pasta. Okay. All right, we're done. All right, our pasta is fully soft, so we're going to strain. Oh, sugar, where are my pot holders? Hold on, guys. Okay, found them. Okay, so we're going to turn off our fire. We're going to cover this because I need to strain it. Okay. All right. One, take this heavy. Oh, boy. Okay. All right. Okay. So we've completely strained our pasta. Now I'm just going to put a little bit of olive oil because I do not like dry pasta. And a little bit of seasoned salt. And you can't go wrong with garlic, guys. Just a little bit of garlic. Okay. All right. And then we're just going to mix it. Okay. All right. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to pour our spaghetti inside our pan here. Okay. All right. Then I'm going to use this to mix it. Okay. So we're just going to mix, guys. We're going to mix. All right. We're going to mix. We're going to mix. All right. So we just want to mix. So we're just going to use that to mix it, guys. All right. I'm just going to use that to mix. Make sure you continue mix. All right. Mix. Okay. All right. Now I'm just going to. Okay. Let's get our baking dish. All right. Let's rinse it. Okay. Um. We're gonna put it in the oven. So hold on, guys. So we want to make sure that we get all of our spaghetti in this pot, in this baking dish, without making a mess. Okay. All right. Okay. This is good for now, guys. I'll bake the rest afterwards. Now, just for coloring, you can add a little bit of um, pasta sauce. And if you have, hold on. And if you want, you can add a little bit of cheese. But we're not doing cheese because I had a whole experience with dairy. So we're going to spread this. We're going to bake it. Okay. Then we're going to put our parsley. See, guys? We're going to put our parsley on there. Okay. Okay. There we go. And we're going to put it in the oven. Again, shout out to my sister for the lovely baking dish. Okay, so guys, the next time that we come back, we will be plating. Okay, guys, we are back. So I'm just gonna show you guys what our pasta look like. It's out of our oven. So here we go. All right, that's what it looks like. Okay. All right. So now we are going to plate. Okay. All right. As you can see, it's not as. I think I have to get. Yeah, I have to get a phone. Alright. And chicken spaghetti doesn't have to have that much juice. Alright, guys. Okay. Okay. Alright. I am going to put the rest of this in our baking dish so that it can fully bake. So just hold on one moment, guys. Okay. So this will just be tomorrow's dinner or tomorrow's lunch. Somebody's dinner, somebody's lunch. Okay. All right. So we're gonna put this back in the oven. Let it bake. All right, guys. So this is our finishing touches. Okay. All right. All right. So, guys, I pray that you guys enjoy this video. I pray that you like this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Share it out to the community. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. All right. Remember to pray for those that you see and pray for those that you don't see. Love you guys.
What's up, YouTube family? What's up?